At Boeing, we're always developing new technologies, power technologies, communication technologies, flight deck technologies. We always have to sift to make sure that the ones we choose are appropriate for the airplane that we're designing and that they always bring value to the airplane.
None of the technology on the airplane was put on there just because we could. So the engines, the aerodynamics, the material selection, the aircraft systems, all of it was integrated to come up with this airplane that was more fuel efficient and could fly these long-range missions.
The unique thing about the 787 is it's also designed for very short missions. So airlines will be using this to fly very small flights, about 500 nautical miles, and they'll fly 8 times a day.
I've been incredibly impressed by the technology and science and study that goes through the main parts of an airplane platform.
I'm Mike Sinnott. I'm the Director of Systems for the 787 program. 787 is different. Besides being efficient and functional, we tried to make them an environment that people want to step into.
Environmentally, became more and more concerned about quieter and quieter airplanes and more fuel efficiency. My name is Jim Peterson. I'm the Propulsion 787 engineering leader.
Because of the HEPA filtration system and gaseous air purification system, the air they breathe on the airplane is going to be cleaner than the air outside. I'm Tom Kogan. I'm the Chief Project Engineer.
The other thing, and it's very technical, is we've added a lot of cool to the airplane. For us, the design always is having to take what exists today and figure out how to build on it in a way that is intuitive to the flight crews. The flight crews are plugged into the air traffic system. They've got a broad view of their flight plan, and they will be able to more efficiently operate in that airspace.
As the engine fan gets bigger, propulsive efficiency gets better and better. So fuel costs go down, the operating costs for the airlines go down, but it also helps, again, quiet down the passenger experience in the cabin.
There was an audible gasp when we showed the cockpit for the first time.
New airplane programs are always a challenge, and some days are good and some days are more challenging, but you always look back on these kinds of experiences and you're glad you were part of it.
What new technologies can we bring to airplanes and to the flying public that really can make a difference in either the economics or the experience of flying on one of the Boeing airplanes? And so relevant innovation became one of our key themes in how we were going to revolutionize flight.
Soon, you too will experience air travel like you have always wished it could be. In the months ahead, we will be sharing this exciting turning point in aviation with you. So please, sit back, relax, and prepare yourself for the future of aviation. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner. How will you travel through life?